Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate your support. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to give a thumbs up to this video, and also to leave your comments below. So we'll be exploring yet another Jamaican proverb. The one that we'll be looking at today is, "Before me tumble down, me hold on pa macka." Translated, I'd rather hold on to a thorn than to fall. Jamaicans refer to thorns as macka, and this proverb is a colorful expression of resilience and determination. It's urging us to grasp onto difficulties rather than succumb to the inevitable challenges. It's also teaching us to embrace life's thorny paths. Life, much like a thorn bush, is riddled with unexpected pricks and jabs. It's suggesting a willingness to endure discomfort and face challenges head on rather than succumbing to the pitfalls of life. It's a playful nudge to embrace the difficulties with a spirit of determination. Picture this: you're on a precarious ledge, and the only thing within reach is a macka bush. What are you going to do? What are your options? Sure, it might be prickly, but it beats the alternative of plummeting into the unknown. Sometimes life presents us with hard choices, but we can choose to endure the pain or take the fatal fall. Life's challenges can be seen as the universe's way of offering you a wild, unconventional handrail, the macka bush in this instance. So why not take a comedic approach? After all, laughter has a unique ability to transform thorny situations into bearable ones. And this proverb is teaching us to grow amidst our adversities. Holding on to the mackas or thorn bushes in our lives is a way of facing the difficulty, and it also signifies the wisdom that we can gain from life challenges. Life's journey is peppered with choices, and sometimes the most unconventional ones lead to the most unexpected joys. Embracing the macka reflects a bold and unconventional spirit. It's a metaphorical reminder that in the pursuit of happiness, one should not shy away from the unusual and unexpected. Beyond its literal representation, the macka embodies resourcefulness, the ability to make the best out of whatever is at hand. Choosing to hold on to the macka is an acknowledgement that growth often comes from overcoming obstacles, even if they are as prickly as thorns or macka, as we say. Whether navigating a challenging career, a turbulent relationship, or the unpredictable twists of life, this proverb serves as a compass. Life, much like the teetering object, is full of uncertainties and challenges. The proverb suggests that before succumbing to the pitfalls, one should seize onto the metaphorical macka, which might prevent a metaphorical tumble. It's a call to action, a reminder to be proactive in the face of adversity. Before me tumble down, me hold on pa macka. Life's journey is an intricate dance of highs and lows, and holding on to a macka or thorn bush adds a touch of whimsy to this intricate choreography. Embracing challenges with a light-hearted spirit and a sprinkle of humor, it transforms the thorny parts into a peculiar adventure, which we all need. In the grand tapestry of life, where various mackas abound, choose to hold on rather than falling becomes a testament of resilience, growth, and the beauty that blooms in unexpected places. So the next time life throws you a curveball, consider reaching for that macka or thorn bush with a wink and a smile. For in its prickliness, you may just find the strength that makes the journey worthwhile. I know that for me, before me tumble down, me hold on pa macka. Once again, thanks for your support. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and to also subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. And as always, walk good.